Hello everyone, this is Konok. In this video I am going to show you how to submit Google app for XeroVidd to get approval. First you need to go to auth consent screen, then click on edit app, then add scope. You will need to add 4 scope. Okay, you will see auth YouTube and then auth youtube.force.ssl auth youtube analytic monitory.read only and yt analytic.read only. This 4 scope. Okay, now you will see these are here. Also, if you can't find here, maybe sometime at the first you will not see here. If you can't see this scope here, you can just click on manually paste and then add like this. Okay, then click on add, then click on add scope. So we will need force SSL. Okay, then this on YouTube already added. Okay, now click on add. So this is 4 scope we need: auth YouTube, auth youtube.force.ssl, auth yt analytics monitory.read only, auth yt analytics.read only. Okay, now click on submit for verification. You need to write the description about this scope. Okay, I have already written my description. Also, you will need to create a demo screencast video for the application, how this application actually works, and then upload this in your YouTube channel. I have already created my own video with the screencast, how this application actually works, and uploaded in my channel. You need to create your own video with your own application and own domain. Okay, you can't use your video because Google will not accept this video. So just copying my YouTube video, then putting here you will get detailed screencast video of how this application works, like this, and put this YouTube video. Okay, thanks. Now you need to give contact email address. Okay, in my case I am putting one of my email address 09015@gmail.com. now submit. Okay, it's submitted. Now you will get email from Google app verification team within 2 or 3 days. So keep watching on your inbox. Okay, Google team may ask for some other information. Also in the email they may ask for video screencast again. So just keep watching your inbox and reply to them, and hopefully you will get the verification very soon. Thank you very much.